Today, let's prepare Goan Prawn Chow Chow. I've taken fresh prawns here. First shell, devein, and wash it. Apply salt and set aside for 30 minutes. Add 1 liter of water in a vessel. Simultaneously open the noodles packet, break the noodles into half. Once the water comes to a boil, add oil and salt followed by the noodles. Boil for 10 minutes till noodles are soft. Drain the water and keep them under running water. Next, heat oil in a pan followed by butter. Allow it to melt. Add chopped spring onion bulbs and saute for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for more 5 minutes. Now add carrots, French beans, and capsicum, and cook them for 10 minutes by covering the lid. You can add little water to give additional moisture. Now add prawns and chopped spring onions green followed by green chili sauce, soy sauce, Veg Maggi cube, and black pepper powder. Mix well and cook for 10 minutes. You can add salt at this stage if you prefer. Finally, add the boiled noodles and mix well. Serve it hot. You can find the full written recipe in the description of this video.